I'm not going to be doing a Coord price breakdown because most of this I got for free. The only things I paid for are the shoes, but I am going to be going over what I'm wearing today and where it's from. So let's start from the top. This really cute beret is from Pop Shop Killers. I got it sponsored by like the app Pop Shop Live, which is like super awesome. The dress I'm wearing right now is from 42 Lolita. I do have a discount code that is I_forgot_reality. It'll give you a sweet discount. I love it. This is actually so nice for my sensory issues. Like the armholes are big, the sleeves are billowing. It's so soft. I can roll them up. This is probably the only OP I own that I can wear for long durations, and my sensory issues are happy. Moving on, these socks are from Innocent World that I stole from my cousin, and these shoes are knockoff, rocking course shoes from Bodyline that I got off of Taobao. So this is the fit. I'm gonna go grocery shopping. Yeah, that's the day. Grocery shopping time. I look cute.